At the end of this video, I'll be making an important announcement. Make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss out on the announcement. Welcome back. In our last video, we delved into some practical strategies for setting and achieving your data analysis goals in 2024. We've covered everything from setting SMART goals to prioritizing tasks based on impact and also creating a roadmap for success. But our journey doesn't end there. Today, we're diving deeper into the next strategies that would help you or propel you closer to your data science goals in 2024. Imagine this: you've set your goals, prioritized your tasks, and mapped out your roadmap for success. What comes next? How do you ensure that you stay on track and maintain the momentum? Well, that's exactly what we'll explore in this video. Get ready as we uncover the secrets to staying motivated, overcoming obstacles, and ultimately achieving your data science goals with confidence. So grab your notebooks, clear your schedules, and let's embark on the next part of our data science journey together. I promise you, you won't want to miss a single moment. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. The first strategy is overcoming procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Let's explore some actionable tips to stay motivated and focused throughout your data analysis journey. Number one tip is to visualize the end result. Envision the positive outcomes of completing your tasks. Imagine yourself working in your dream company. Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the insights you'll gain, or the impact of your work. Visualization can motivate you to overcome procrastination. The second tip to avoid procrastination is to start with the easiest tasks. Begin with the task that seems the easiest and most enjoyable. Building momentum with small, manageable tasks can help you maintain or create a positive mindset and make transitioning to more complex tasks easier. The third tip is to break down your large tasks. Divide larger tasks into smaller sub-tasks. Breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more digestible components make them easier to approach and lessens the tendencies to procrastinate. Procrastination often comes with the fear of difficulty associated with the task or perceived uncertainty. The fourth tip to help you overcome procrastination is to reflect on the consequences. Consider the consequence of not completing the goal. Reflect on the impact of procrastination on your goal. Understanding the negative consequences can be a powerful motivator. Imagine procrastination as the wall between you and achieving your goal. So by implementing these strategies, you can avoid procrastination and maintain momentum on your data-driven journey or your data science journey towards success. The fifth strategy is to see your setbacks and challenges as opportunities. Challenges are an inevitable part of our journeys, and setbacks often pave the way for our greatest triumphs. So one famous example that comes to mind when we talk about rising from setback is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison failed more than 1,000 times when inventing the electrical light bulb. Yet he saw each challenge or each failure as a lesson and an opportunity to refine his approach. Now let's explore how you can overcome challenges, extract valuable lessons from failure, and cultivate a resilience on your data-driven journey. Some tips include: number one, pair your learning with passion. Combine learning data analysis with any of your passion. If you love sports, analyze sports statistics. If you enjoy finance, work on financial data. Connecting data analysis to your interests keeps you engaged and motivated throughout the journey. Number two tip is to reward yourself strategically. Use reward as positive reinforcement. Set up a reward system where you can treat yourself to something special or enjoyable for every completed module or task. This creates positive association with your effort and helps you maintain motivation. Number three is embrace reflection and flexibility. Regularly assess your goals, adjust them based on the evolving interests, industry trends, and your personal growth. Embrace the power of reflection to learn from your setback and adapt your approach accordingly. Remember, flexibility is key to navigating the twists and turns of your data science journey. By implementing these strategies, you can transform setbacks into opportunity for growth and resilience, propelling yourself closer to your data science goals. The sixth and final strategy is building a support system. No one succeeds alone. Building a support system is essential for success in data science landscape. Explore networking opportunities, seek mentorship, and join online communities to connect with like-minded individuals and experts in the field. Some actionable steps you can take is 1. Explore networking opportunities. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetup to network with professionals. These events provide valuable opportunities to exchange ideas, learn from others, and also expand your professional network. Number 2, seek mentorship. Find mentors who provide guidance, advice, and support. Mentors offer valuable insights and help you overcome challenges. Number 3, join online communities. Participate in online forums, discussion groups, and social media communities dedicated to data science. This platform allows you to connect with diverse individuals, share knowledge, ask questions, and collaborate on projects. Now, down to the special announcement I talked at the beginning. Based on popular demand, I'll be creating a closed community for interested and serious-minded individuals like yourself. So this community will provide a space for networking and collaboration and mutual support to your data science endeavors. The link to apply to be part of this community will be available in the description box below, so make sure you click on the link so that you register to be part of my closed community. And there you have it. These strategies will help you not just dream about success, but actually achieve it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, keep pushing, keep learning, and keep chasing your data analysis dreams. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.